And we're using Revizto on a large office building downtown Raleigh. It's about a 19-story building, very significant project for us and for the city. One of the goals for us and for me is to always be on the lookout of what is coming in the industry, the most efficient technology. Kyle Snyder in our department has been able to use our drone imagery, point clouds, along with 3D models and other data, and combine that all into one place, which has brought a lot of value to see a lot of different information.
The projects in and around the Raleigh and Durham area are very urban specific, and they actually, the context around the site is very important. So one thing that we're also doing is using the drone photogrammetry to map the surrounding areas. So the one thing that Revizto has allowed us to do is really integrate that reality capture data with the 3D modeling data. So not only can we review the building and coordination, but we can analyze the surrounding site of the project. The full detail within the model, there's a lot that gets added two-dimensionally within the drawing sheets themselves. So for us, being able to view that data in that 3D environment space really provides a lot of context in meetings, and also doing constructability reviews and not having to switch back and forth between multiple softwares. You can see it all in one environment. And that really just makes the process a lot more efficient. It'll make sure that you're taking all the factors into account and there's not a lot of scope gaps that you're missing along the process.